Let's talk about the pros and cons of leading the project like this for almost a year. So as you know, I came to this garage 1 year ago. I will be actually 11 months ago. So all that preparation and moving and setting this up, and all the work that I had here, and moving of the parts and the bikes took the toll, and then season started and I just want to ride. So what are the pros and cons? Actually, there is just one pro, and that is that you're really anxious to start, and I really like that I will start working again on the bike as the winter is come, and I will ride my other bike much less. So the cons are that while moving, I have a bunch of stuff laying around in some boxes and stuff like that, under this table, over the shelves, everywhere. So it will be quite a challenge to put the bits and pieces together again. I was smart enough just to put the same bits in the same boxes, so everything for exhaust is in the one box, and everything for, I don't know, the air filter is in another box. So I will not wander so much, but it will be a challenge to get shit together again. And I really stuck with this gasket from wheel cover, and that was like a really boring job, and I will do it first of everything, because I want to just get over it and close the engine, and so we can move attention to airbox side, electricity, rear end that we haven't touched. Front end is finished and everything is there, is as it should be. So I need to, of course, bring back the electricity headlights, turn signals and stuff like that. And then there is a tank that we need, and bodywork. We need to decide the color and paint it. We will paint it ourselves, so we'll see what the results will be for that. And we are not still sure about what color and on what way shall we do it, but we have a coating of the inside of the tank that we want to do, and we will use the Fertan that I use on my bike, and it's a great product. And we'll coat that, and then start to putting it together and see that we done the rear end, and everything should be ready for the next season. So more cons is actually, you start wondering, can you finish it, and do you have a will to finish it? And it's always a struggle. I think it will be fun, and it will be a nice winter project. So hey ho, let's go. This is what we have. A lot of boxes with a lot of parts and pretty vague definition where everything go. What what will help us with that is the part list that I printed. So I go to, I don't know, Partzilla or Megazip, took the schematics of parts from their pages. So for example, for air filter, I have every part of the air filter and every screw there, so it will be a lot easier to see what I need to have there and do I have it or not. So that will help me a little bit. I put the charger on the batteries, so this is full, so now it's on tender and I will leave it like that. I am washing the air filter to be ready. So then I start to realize that since I came to this new garage and had a job around that, and then the season, that almost 1 year is passed since we cracked this bike, and since I cleaned the carburetors and everything. And I already done this on other two, but let me just try to do this on these two from right side. Let me just put this and show you what we'll get when we open and empty the bowl. So as you can see, we got, oh wait a second, just to try. We got green sludge in carburetors. So probably I will need to clean the carburetors again, and that is not the problem if needs to be done. Well, I'm quite good with carburetors cleaning. Okay. I'll try to see. Oh. Okay. So remove gasoline through the carburetors, and hopefully that will rinse any residue that we have maybe on carburetors. So let's hope that we will not need new cleaning of the carburetors. And okay, that will do it. So now we will leave them, these screws, open. So let's hope that will be fine, and as I said, we don't need to make new cleaning of carburetors. Thank you guys, that will be all. Like, subscribe if you like this content.